Let me show you how to get a fake microbladed brow look at home. Now let's start with a clean dry brows. Use a spoolie to brush them upwards so that you can see your natural shape. Grab a brow pencil or a brow tint pen with a super fine tip. You want to make real hair strokes, okay? Light flicking motions, no harsh lines. Follow your natural brow shape and fill in the hair. Use a micro tip brow pen or pencil and create light strokes, especially in the empty areas where there are no hairs. Follow your natural brows as I said earlier on. Keep faking the lines because any harsh lines will ruin the microbladed vibe. Keep setting the place with clear tinted brow gel if you have one. This adds texture and holds the look all day. Let's conceal the eyebrows with some concealer and let's see how the fake microbladed came out. Be gentle because you don't want to ruin our fake microbladed brows. Look at the difference. Defined, natural looking brows that look so microbladed. No needles, no pain, no cost. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. I hope you like it. No cost, no pain, cute. Yeah. Bye.